1 billion people sit behind computers every day. And right now, big tech is building AI to replace them. Not to help them, to replace them. Action Model exists for one reason: to fight back, together. This is community-owned AI, a model where you have a say. Individually, we are overlooked. But together, in the millions, we are unstoppable. The future shouldn't belong to a few elites. It belongs to us. It's as simple as inviting 2 friends to the movement. When they join, you and your friends all own a stake in the Action Model. When each person invites 2 more, we grow into millions, powering a movement strong enough to take on big tech's AI models. Don't just use AI, own it.